Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about low user adoption. One of the big problems which happens with a lot of ERP implementations, a lot of CRM or system implementations in general is users don't adopt it. They keep throwing issues out of it and they keep saying it doesn't do that, it doesn't do this, it doesn't work as the old system used to be. Being in system implementation space, we have seen situations where one of the users once turned back to us and said, well, it's not as good as the old system. And the old system was a black screen system, which effectively, if any of you know from the old systems perspective, DOS screen and you're running a system on it. That's what we replaced with a graphical user interface with a web application, and the client still liked it. Imagine issues like those. So how do you avoid them? I'll give you a few ideas. It depends on your environment, it depends on your own business, whether some of these will work or not. And it depends on how you deliver them as well. One of the big one is workshops right from the beginning. Get the user buy-in. Get the user buy-in from day one and say, look guys, we are thinking of replacing the old system we have, the way we do things, or we are thinking of bringing in a new system. These are the important points, and I want all of you to come with me, and I want one of you to champion this with me so that we progress in today's digital era. Of course, you as a leader need to lead the change. You need to bring your team members with you. And a big part of this is going to come in from day one when you just think about this new project. Get somebody in the team to do some research for you. Don't do the research yourself. You'll go, well, I'm quite good at doing the research. No, your team needs to get the buy-in. Do your research, but get the support from them. It's a big part of, again, bring them with you. Next is, of course, when you're going through the vendor selection process, which system to go with, keep the team with you. Make each department member or each team leader to be a part of a steering committee who works on this project with you. They all need to give their inputs. They all need to support the project manager or yourself in that vendor selection process. And lastly, once the system implementation starts, keep them updated on a regular basis. So tell them, look, this is happening, that's happening, and give them training. Or remove the lastly bit, please, as well. And of course, once the implementation has been done, don't forget to train them up properly. Training, of course, is very underrated in the world, but training is the most important thing when it comes to new systems. Training, some of these people are fantastic. They know how to watch a video and be trained themselves. But then some of the users still want that old-fashioned user manual. Give them a Word document with screenshots, they read through it, they go through each step themselves. There'll be other users who will pick it up very quickly, and there'll be users who will come along slowly. You will also need some sort of sitting by somebody training as well. Somebody who can overlook their shoulders and go, yeah, you're clicking it right, John, and Peter, you'll be fantastic at it. And Jane, look, let me show you a new trick on how to do this. They'll love it, they'll appreciate it, and of course, they'll come with you on this big change that you're planning for your business. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment box and we'll be happy to answer them for you.